Alright, come on guys, we gotta move.
No, yeah. I'm gonna move over here.
See lightning?
We're moving over here. Ow. Get back, guys. Come on. It's gonna blow up you in the face. It's gonna be it.
Nope, that's over. Garage is burnt down. Get the fire truck out in the back.
I thought I wasn't gonna clear the barn.
The fire truck was in the back lab, but I guess we're gonna have to use it for the barn today.
Did it go right through that?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Where did it explode at? Inside?
The top right there is.
One way to get some money, Jason. Huh? Nice little insurance claim there, huh?
We got some smoke up at the top of our house. No, I mean, I just didn't know.
They smoked it.
Is that just
Dude, it went through?
fail? Oh my goodness.
Why are you buying new clothes?
Well, that's how you get money.
Yeah, our
Huh?
How do you feel, Mom?
Check cleared. Check
Oh,
cleared, Jason. We're good.
Okay.
How do you feel about your barn, Mom? Sounded like a board blew open. I thought, alright, we got one.
It's perfectly round like a burgle.
That thing has some thrust in it.
Went right through the plastic, yeah. Yeah, that does that. It didn't explode up there, did it? It must have smothered out in the insulation.
I just did that inside there.
Yeah.
That's bad.